Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to do a chain. First things first, you want to obviously grab a crochet hook. I use a 3.5mm crochet hook and obviously any yarn of your choice. I bought this from the Dubai Center. I'm not going to try and say the name because I'm going to butcher it, but it's 100% acrylic yarn. It does recommend a 4.5mm, but like I said, I prefer the 3.5. It just looks a bit more sleek. First thing you want to do in terms of making a chain, you want to do a slip knot. If you don't know how to do a slip knot, I have made a previous video on how to, but do a slip knot, insert your hook and pull it tight. Once you've done that, you want to yarn over and pull through the loop. And again, yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through the loop, and then just continue to yarn over and pull through until you have reached your desired amount of chains. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to let you see the visual representation of how to do it and you can follow along. And that is how you do a chain. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.